your time today to join us. Harnessflex turned 40 years last year, so I've been quite long-standing in the industry. It's specifically designed for the heavy automotive sector. So Bauma itself is a perfect platform for us to showcase some of our new products. We've actually got a new product launch today, which is our metallic Evo. I'm going to pass over to my colleague Elliot to explain a little bit more about it.
Okay, so as my colleague mentioned, we serve the heavy automotive sector with cable protection products which provide maximum reliability, robustness in the market to prevent downtime of vehicles due to electrical fault. But one of the key attributes of our brand is listening to customers and providing bespoke solutions that are fit for the market and fit for purpose. So which leads me on to So one of our brand new offerings here, which is a brand new metallic conduit system designed for the construction and the mining industry. Our core product prior to this was non-metallic, similar nylons, some specialist types of non-metallic conduits. But for the first time, we've launched a metallic, which is a specialist low smoke, zero halogen, UL94 V0 certified conduit. So certain customers that we were dealing with had a requirement for this type of certification, whether it be UL94 V0 or a low smoke, zero halogen for underground mining applications. So to listen to what our customers required, we brought this product to market, and we've had immense interest so far, officially launching at Bauma this year, and promoting and getting it into the market.
Yeah, excellent. Another thing I'll just quickly explain as well, an overview. So for the last 40 years, as I said, our primary focus initially was our low voltage sector. And the last sort of 5-6+ years, we actually moved into our X-Temp range here. So wherever we've got our nylon conduits there and a PA66 fittings and back shells, we now also do a PA46 fittings and back shells and a modified co-polyester conduit. And what it was for is for the higher temperature ranges, but also better abrasion resistance, impact resistance. So you see it used on exhaust systems, after treatment systems, underside of mining machines where it needs that extreme protection. So that was the next shift, and now over the last couple of years we're now investing heavily, and like to say our colleagues as well, looking at R&D, what we can do in electrification. So our different back shells for our Evo range, our metallic, and something we recently launched was a great one for us was our interconnect system here. So previously all of our fittings and back shells had to be used with our conduits. So we had launched our new adapters here, because we've seen a sort of shift in the market. Different customers wanted harnesses with different forms of cable protection, sleeves, wraps, braiding, tape, self-closing wrap. So we basically launched a new range of adapters that allows us to use our back shells and fittings with other forms of cable protection, allowing the customer to be a lot more flexible depending on what they want to choose. So as Elliot said, it's trying to be customer focused, feed what the OEM wants and design products based on that basis. So thank you very much all for your time today and for, looking at the ABB stand.